Hello everyone, welcome to the Art, Health, and Healing YouTube channel. It's Paul Braswell in Baltimore. I'm on my way to the hospital, University of Maryland, to pick up my sister from having a colonoscopy done. And on my way to the hospital, I saw this gentleman exploring his creativity on, I think he's using the medium, I think it's paper. Yeah, paper. And also I see him using acrylic oil painting. So, me being the person that I am, I talk to anybody. Especially artists that I see, the young artists, the up-and-coming artists. I don't know, he may be established, who knows? He may be even in Mertiz Padola's gallery here in Baltimore. But I wanted to introduce him to you so you can meet this fabulous artist here in Baltimore City, all the way from New York.
Hello everyone, my name is Lawrence of Heavy Paper Co. Today I'm doing this stenciled painting for this local business, Neighborhood Fiber Company. Generally, I don't do a lot of painting, but my normal medium is furniture and signage. I also made this sign behind us here. So I do a lot of woodworking and furniture design, but today I'm painting this fabulous Black Lives Matter.
Oh, it's Black Lives Matter.
Yeah, so it's a stencil right on top of the wall.
What is it again? So we can hear.
It's a stencil on top of the wall. I'm just, painting over it to reveal the Black Lives Matter fist.
And how long does that stencil have to stay on? What is this right here?
It's Mylar.
Oh, and what's the purpose of that?
It's just to create the stencil.
Oh.
So I cut the stencil out on a laser.
Okay.
And I'm just filling in the blanks of the stencil.
And so how long after you put this medium on it, how long does it take before you can remove? What is this right here?
It's transfer tape.
Oh.
Yeah.
And what does the transfer tape do? What's the purpose?
It helps it stick to the wall.
Oh. And how long do you have to have it like on there before you can take it off?
Oh, about a half hour.
Oh.
Once everything is dry.
Oh.
So it's a water-based thing. I mean, it's a water-based paint, so it'll dry pretty quickly.
Oh. Now tell us your position and how you feel about the Black Lives Matter. Educate the audience, because I'm sure everybody wants to know, because that's the new movement these days. And I think it's the most powerful, empowering movement ever.
Yeah, well, I don't know if it's new. I mean, I think it's definitely more of a light shined on it, you know, in the current times. But in general, we all need to respect black lives and help growth in our community. So that's why I'm here today.
All right. Did you said what your name again? I'm so sorry.
My name is Lawrence Moore of Heavy Paper Co.
And how do people get in contact with you?
If you need to find me, you can email me at heavypaperco at gmail.com.
Say it again, repeat it.
Heavy Paper Co, all one word. And Instagram also, Heavy Paper.
Are you on Facebook?
Not so much, but mainly Instagram if you want to see my work, because it's more of a visual medium.
Oh.
Heavy Paper Co.
Oh, so you consider yourself a visual artist?
Nah.
Contemporary?
More, I would say visual, yeah.
Oh.
More visual, but you know, I've worked with wood, furniture, metal, CNC.
Oh, so you decorate furniture also? Paint furniture?
No, I don't. I build furniture.
Oh, you build furniture?
Yeah.
Oh. Oh, I'm gonna have to get his card for him. Well, anyway, thank you so much for watching Mr. Lawrence, and I'm sure you were educated a little bit, because that's one mission for Art, Health, and Healing, to provide art, health, and wellness, and to show that art has the power to heal. It also can be applied to your wellness and your education. So, if you like what Mr. Lawrence, this artist who relocated from Baltimore, who you can find on social media, if you like what he said, please click the like button at the bottom. And hopefully I'll get to Art, Health, and Healing, or build a platform where we will have people that will subscribe so they can see more educational videos with this and these local artists here located in Baltimore and abroad. Thank you so very, very much.